Hey guys, welcome to my first Java tutorial. This is Vasant and in this video we are going to learn how to print a message in Java. I have a class created here with a class named tutorial1 and I also have a main method created here. If you want to know more about the classes and methods, do check out my previous video in which I have elaborated about them. So now let's start coding. This will be the statement which you would use to print any message in Java. System.out.print, and the message you want to print should be within the double quotes. I'll go with the traditional one, hello world. Make sure you put the semicolon and S in caps so that you will get the output. System.out means standard output stream. I will explain about this in the later videos. If I do now, you will not understand, so just bear with me. So now let me run it. Q OK. Yep, we have got the output here. So using this statement you can print any message, and now let me print another message. System.out.print. This time I'll go with a modern one. I love pizza. So let's run it. Q OK. Yep, we have got the output. But we have got the output in a single line. I want an output in two separate lines. So for that, we can change this print to println, which means print line. And let's first run it and see what happens. Yep, we have got the output in two different lines. Let me explain you how this happens. When this line gets executed, the hello world gets printed and the cursor is here right now. Since we use print line, the cursor which is here comes to the next line. Now the cursor is in the second line. So when this statement gets executed, a message gets printed in this line where the cursor is currently in. If you use a print line here as well, then the cursor will go to the third line, and if you print any message again, then it will be printed in the third line. So using this print line and print, you can print any message in Java. I hope you understood this. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Let me see you in the next video.